What's up, folks? Alright, this thing here is really bothering me. And we're going to do something about it. See how it won't press down? Unless you pull that back. Yeah, it's really annoying. I know it's a safety feature, but I'm going to override this. I'm not telling you to override it, but for somebody like me, that's just, I can't deal with anymore. Alright, so stand by and let me see if I can work my magic here. I'm going to try to do this with one hand on the camera and one working this thing. Oh, I don't think that's possible. Alright. Can you see it? Alright. See if I can get some light over here. Not enough light. Okay. So what I did is I took a screwdriver, slammed it through there. Now I'm going to take this pin out. Wow, those needle nose look, I should say those wire cutters look pretty big. Alrighty. Pull that out. Pull that out. Haha. Alright, so that mechanism right there, garbage. Alright, let's see how this thing works now. Is it plugged in? Of course not. I had it unplugged because I didn't want to set this thing off while I was working on it. Okay, here we go. Alrighty. Now the key is, before you set it down, make sure it's not running, and make sure if you bump it, this thing's going to go off. So be very careful. But I am happy with the 30 seconds it took me to fix this. Alright, peace.